What if I told you that our latest milestone in electrical installation can save up to 50% installation time? FlexLine builds on a century of innovation, and with its revolutionary push-in technology, installers will have no more fumbling with screwdrivers during installation. So you can just insert the cable horizontally into the load side push-in terminal in a convenient way, and no post-installation tightening is needed anymore. And if that is not enough, to keep things simple, all FlexLine protection devices can be flexibly combined with only one bus bar thanks to their flex terminals. This means convenient stock keeping options for our distributors and installers. It's a game changer. And if that is not enough, I'm very excited to share some great news. FlexLine won this year Light in Building Design Plus Award for its innovative technology. Are you ready to embrace the future of electrical installation?